Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Samurai Teacher channel, where we explore all things tech and gadgets. Today we are checking out a nifty little gadget that's perfect for both book lovers and tech enthusiasts. Whether you are reading in a bed or working on a delicate project like soldering, this rechargeable book light by 86LUX might exactly what you need. Before we dive into the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the packaging. On the front, we have a clean design showcasing the Pocket E1 model with a sleek gray finish. It's a compact, making it an ideal travel companion as well. On the side, we see a technical details model SE503 with 2-watt power from 0.5 watt LEDs and 5 watt show you 5 watt input voltage, perfect for USB charging. This small yet powerful light is certified with CE and FCC markings, ensuring safety and quality. Here's some additional info, including the manufacturer's details and contact information. If you ever need a support, overall the packaging gives a solid first impression. On the back, we have a simple guide on how to operate the light. It's a very straightforward short press cycle through the 4 color temperatures: warm white, natural white, cool white and off white. There's also a dimming key for adjusting brightness, and the light even remembers your last settings thanks to its brightness memory feature. This is great for keeping things consistent during a repeated use. Now let's see what's inside. Let's go and unbox this thing. Okay, let me go ahead and open this. I'm using a NVMe drive, that's not good, so let's use this instead. That let me go open. Okay, that's all. So let me put this back. So we have USB to USB-C cable. So everyone coming with USB-C now these days. So now I'm going to open this. Okay, we have a reading light itself, a USB charging cable, and a quicker. We don't have a quicker starter guide. Simple animastic. Just how look this is, the size of this. So design wise, the Pocket E1 is a sleek, lightweight and surprisingly sturdy for its size. The clip is gentle but strong, so you won't to worry about damaging your books, pages or slipping off while you work. Let me turn on this. How do I turn on this? Maybe this one. Oh, so let me put it this way. So you can toggle between the warm, natural and cool white depending on your preference or the time of the day. I find the warm white to be perfect for late night reading or detailed tasks like soldering, where soft light reduces the eye strain. Oh nice. So it's this one. So this one you can so once you select from this one, and you can adjust the brightness level. Nice. This small little gadget have everything. Very cool. So one of my favorite features is the stepless dimming, allowing you to adjust the brightness from a subtle glow to full brightness. This versatile makes it a great tool just for reading. I mean, tool not just for reading but also for tech work where you need focus light. I like to use for my Raspberry Pi stuff, so it will be great. And it's rechargeable, which is huge plus. The built-in battery offers hours of use on a single charge, so whether you are reading or working on a late night project, you won't be left in the dark. I have used this reading light before I purchased this, so I used the variety of settings. It's fantastic for reading in a bed without disturbing anyone else. I brought for my son, he loved it, but it's also incredibly useful for tech work, so that's what I got for me. Like soldering, where you need to purchase focus light, its portability and easy USB charging make it perfect companion for both relaxation and work. So whether you are a book lover, DIY tech enthusiast like me, or both of these, rechargeable book light from ATX Lux is a must-have. I'm not talking about the brand, but if you can get one of these, so I brought from ATX LUX, and it's cheap, $9. So if you can get from somewhere else, that's fine, but I don't need a good brand for this stuff. This is small stuff I need to use. So I mean, it's good. Whatever you can do it from here, it's cool, right? So whether you're a book lover or DIY enthusiast or both, this rechargeable book light from 86 Lux is a must. Okay, so you can do your own stuff. It's a versatile, easy to use, and can adapt to when whatever you are working on. And check out the link description to grab one of yourself or as a gift to give someone. This is a little gadget, is for sure to impress. So thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and gadgets tips. See you in my next video.